Together we rise, together we climb, building better humans, training yard online.
Today's workout is going to be an AMRAP in 15 minutes. In this 15 minutes, we're going to get as many rounds as we can of 500-meter row and 12 deadlifts. The deadlift today is going to be 295 and 205. This weight is a moderate to heavy load that is going to make you need to break those 12 deadlifts at some point in this workout. So it's going to be challenging as we move through this AMRAP. Now, as we're focusing on this, we want to kind of think about on the rower, we're trying to get this 500 meters done in around 2 minutes. And then you can go ahead and approach your bar. You should be able to get 12 deadlifts done with good form and technique as we move through this in about 60 seconds. So you can go ahead and try to allot 3 minutes per round, and you're going to try to focus on getting 5 rounds in this workout. Now, if you don't get it, not a big deal. We recognize that maybe the rower is a little bit slower, or the bar for the deadlift is a little on the heavier side, and we may not get that many. Remember, we're going to be rowing with some fatigue, or we're going to be deadlifting with some fatigue at the row. So we want to anticipate that our movement may start to slow down in this workout. We also recognize that these are very similar movement patterns, and so we want to be mindful that when we set up for the row, it's going to be very methodical. We're going to make sure that we are reaching forward in this with our feet on the ground with a nice kind of more postural position, a good strong postural position as we move through this. All right. And then when we get set up to the deadlift, we're going to be present on every single one of these deadlifts, making sure that form and technique don't take a back seat to speed. All right. We want to make sure that our feet are narrower than our normal clean stance, and our hands are going to be tighter to the sides. The closer our hands are to the body, the easier this will be to move the deadlift. As we stand up, we want to really drive into those heels, standing up, bring those hips forward and those knees locked out. And we're going to go ahead and move through very efficiently through these 12 deadlifts. It's going to be a fun workout. Can you get 5 rounds?